Hey there, this is Becca with YouCanBookMe, and today I'm going to walk you through how to connect your Dropbox with your booking form so that any files you need to collect from your guests prior to your meeting can all be done automatically and then you're not chasing them. So let's get started. I'm already logged into YouCanBookMe, but I actually want to start with you over in Dropbox. Let's jump over there. There we go. So here in my Dropbox, it's pretty sad and empty right now. Clearly, I've just made this for demo purposes, but let's get started by making a folder where we're going to have our bookers put everything. So we're going to click Create Folder in Dropbox. Let's call it Booking Form Submissions. So it's going to be things that come in from our booking form. Great. It's creating a new folder, Booking Form Submissions. It exists. Great. The next thing we're going to do is create a file request. We're going to hit Request File. What is the request for? Booking Form Submissions. Please upload your photo identification prior to the meeting. That's what we're going to have people upload, I've decided, is a picture of their photo ID. Maybe you want something else. Maybe you need them to fill out some paperwork in advance. Maybe you need them to print and sign something and then upload it. Maybe you need, I don't know, their driver's license. Maybe it's for a driving job. Maybe you need to, there's a million and one things you can get them to upload. Health records. I don't know. Whatever you might need from your bookers in order for you to proceed with the meeting. We're going to say that we need a picture of their photo ID to make sure that they're 18 for whatever reason. Maybe this is a tattoo studio. That would be cool. So please upload your photo ID prior to the meeting. We're going to have them put their submissions into the folder Booking Form Submissions. That's why we made it. And we're just on a free version of Dropbox, so we don't have anything else to do here. We don't need to worry about late uploads or date deadlines or anything like that because we don't have Pro. But if you do, that'd be cool. We can also set naming conventions. So we can have the file name be sender's name. That's cool. Maybe we want capitalized initials. Can we add other rules? This is neat. Maybe date. I think a date would be a good idea. Cool. Let's hit create. It's giving us a link to share. Perfect. We're going to copy that link. Could you just email it to them directly? Yeah, but we're here to save you time and energy. You don't need to send them a booking form link and a Dropbox link. We're just going to have it all magically happen together. So let's copy this Dropbox link and go back to YouCanBookMe. Here we are in a booking page. I'm actually going to put this Dropbox link in two different spots. Spot number one, in the booking form. So let's go to the booking form. Right now, I'm asking them their first name, last name, and email. I'm going to also add a block of text, meaning there's nothing for them to fill in, but it's going to say, please upload your photo ID to Dropbox prior to the meeting. Let's do click here. You could just hyperlink the word Dropbox. You could hyperlink the whole sentence, but we're going to do that. And I like having it open the link in a new window because I don't want them to leave the booking page, because if they leave the booking page, they can't submit the booking form. That's no good. So open link in new window. Cool. I like it. And it's currently called block of text. We're going to call it photo ID. Let's hit save changes. So now in the booking form, it says photo ID. Please upload your photo ID to Dropbox prior to the meeting. Click here. So there's a spot. It'll open up in a new window and it will have them upload their photo ID. Maybe I want them to do a checkbox too, just to confirm. So we're going to add in checkbox. We're going to call it I confirm I uploaded my photo ID. And we're going to make it required. Let's hit save. So now they not only have to upload their photo ID, they have to click and say, yes, I uploaded my photo ID. That way we know that they actually completed the task. And again, it doesn't have to be photo ID, but that's the example we're going with. Just go with it. Maybe you want them to upload a picture of their cat. I don't know. That'd actually be adorable. But we're going with photo ID for today. So now my booking page has a call out that they need to do it and a confirmation that they do it. And if they don't click this off, it won't let them confirm the booking. It's a required field. They have to confirm that they did it. Okay. Sometimes people might hit that little box though and not actually action it. So I want to put it in the notifications as well so that when we're reminding them about the meeting, they get the reminder about the photo ID. So let's send them an email right after they book and it's going to be in the confirmation email to Booker. This is the generic. Hey, so-and-so, thank you for scheduling a meeting next Saturday. Here's all the details. Lovely. You could change as much of this as you want. Make it super personal to you. But for now, let's just worry about Dropbox. As a reminder, you are required to upload your photo ID prior to the meeting. If you have not done so, please click here. We're going to copy that and we're going to hyperlink it. Do we have to hyperlink it? No, we could just put this giant URL directly in the booking form, but I don't think that would look really nice. So I'm going to hyperlink it, and look at that. It's immediately in the email that they'll receive right after the booking has taken place. But I want to do a reminder before the booking too. Right now I've got a reminder email going to the booker 1 hour before. Let's edit that one. If you haven't uploaded your photo ID prior to the meeting, please do so here. And again, I'm going to hyperlink it to keep it looking pretty. And we'll fix my typo. Beautiful. I've got it right here. So just like that, I've got my Dropbox linked in the booking form, in the meeting confirmation, and in a meeting reminder, so that we know dang well we have beat it over the head of our booker. I need your ID before the meeting. I need to know you're over 18. I need to see your ID, non-negotiable. Here it is in 3 different spots. So you can get creative with this. Ask for any kind of files you need. Use any kind of phrasing you want. You could put it in you could add additional notifications if you wanted to. Perhaps we wanted to add another notification a week before the meeting, or a month before the meeting, or a week, like anything you want to do for your bookers to make sure that they have put the files you need in your Dropbox before the meeting happens. And as they upload them to Dropbox, you're going to be prepped for your meeting. Super duper easy. As always, if you have any questions about connecting YouCanBookMe with Dropbox or anything else whatsoever, don't hesitate to reach out. Our support team is always more than happy to help you. Thank you so much for watching.